Oh, it's that one sick kid. They're always sick. As cold season starts approaching, the cold weather comes in and our immune systems go down. So today we're going to talk about my magic secrets for how I get rid of a cold super duper fast. So I've been traveling quite a lot, and if you've ever been on a plane or if you've traveled via plane, you kind of know what the plane flu is, where like for some reason your immune system just tanks after you've been on an airplane. I don't know why, I can't tell you guys for sure, but it's something about it, and then you end up going on vacation and you're like sniffly and you're sneezing and you feel kind of weak. And if you're blessed with a high immune system, you're fine. Like it takes you maybe like half a day and then your body is great. But for people like myself, so little science lesson for you guys, there is a lot of research being done right now on the gut. And so gut refers to like the stomach, the intestines, all of that, and there's bacteria that lives there. So your immune system, 70% of your immune system lives in your intestines. How bonkers is that, right? So if you are a C-section baby, meaning your mother had to have a C-section in order to birth you, then you are actually at a high risk for having a low immune system, and also a high risk for having autoimmune disorders like asthma, allergies, eczema, the works. So I myself am a C-section baby. Now I'm going to tell you guys why that's the case. It'll be a little interesting for us to chat about that, but bear with me. Basically, different parts of our body have different bacteria. So our skin has bacteria on it in a good way. So don't go rubbing your hands with antibacterial soap. It's good. We are one with our bacteria. They help us, we help them. So we have bacteria on our skin, we have bacteria in our gut, we have bacteria in our lady regions, okay? So when a mother can birth their child naturally, there is a very diverse set of bacteria that is down there. And so when a child is birthed naturally, they get all of that bacteria, and it's fantastic for them. It builds their immune system up strong because all of that bacteria is so diverse. So in case you didn't know, bacteria has different strains. So the most common is like lactobacillus, and then another really common one, it starts with a B. I'll put it right here actually so you guys see. So many different types of bacteria. Eczema, fun fact. If you have eczema and you're taking probiotics, make sure your probiotics have Lactobacillus rhamnosus, okay? That one specifically helps a lot with eczema. I digress. So, C-section babies, our skin does not have that diverse of bacteria. So when the baby is birthed via C-section, through the skin, through the stomach, they just don't get that diverse of bacteria. And the bacteria, when birthed vaginally, is so diverse that it allows the immune system to be so strong that when you're birthed through the skin, it just is lacking, and our immune systems are like, we tried. And so usually people like that throughout the rest of their life go through like, oh, it's that one sick kid, they're always sick. They like, you know, they're the kid that's like, oh, watch out for Sally, she's just the sick one. She always has the flu or something. I'm Sally. I literally dealt with that my whole life. I literally used to get sick like 6 times a year. This year I've gotten sick 1.5 times. So the half time is why I'm making this video. I just got like a little cold because I flew from the south of America to north of America, not North America and South America, but We're talking about the United States. I flew from the south to the north. And the temperature changes are really extreme. So the south is pretty warm and then the north is pretty cold. Not only that, but when I flew in, the north was having a cold front and my homeostasis, so homeostasis, science lesson, is our bodies always try to maintain, you know, a balance. So they want the temperature to be around the same temperature. Our body wants everything to be normalized. But when we do things like travel, it's putting our body into new germs, new temperatures, new air pollution, just all sorts of changes. And so because of that, we are then prone to getting sick. So I got myself a little cold, and it was a strange cold because it kind of acted like I had allergies. It was like I would wake up in the morning, sneeze, 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 sneeze. My nose would be running, running, running. And then by the afternoon, I was fine. And so I did things during that to make it last a less amount of time. So when I would wake up and start sneezing, I would start taking my secret supplement, which I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm really excited about it. It's so magical. It works so well. So I guess I could tell you now. It is this one. Gotta get you guys to see it. So there it is. It's called Wellness Formula. Okay, now you guys gotta see me, so I gotta, you know, gotta adjust the camera. Wonderful, okay. So now to tell you guys why this is magic, why it works, and why I only need one supplement. Usually I'm like pounding down the supplements. I will say, well actually, no, I don't have to say because this has it in it. I was gonna start preaching about vitamin D, which if you know me, I do that constantly. This actually has vitamin D in it. Okay, I'm gonna read it. So it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, selenium, copper, sodium. Okay, if you know anything about the immune system, zinc is amazing, vitamin D, amazing, vitamin C is pretty good, and vitamin A is pretty good. Okay, so that's the core like vitamins that it has. So then it has herbs in it. So it has garlic, echinacea, elderberry, olive leaf. I'm not gonna name all of them because this sucker has a lot, but the ones that like specifically target the immune system. Interestingly enough, it has kudzu in it, which, fun fact, kudzu actually helps people with alcohol like cravings. So you just take it, I think maybe twice a day or like around the time you usually crave it, and you won't crave alcohol anymore. I have not tested that, so just a little tidbit if you need that. Just so many things. Like this thing is so long. Okay, I'm gonna come back in so you guys can see what's up with this. Yeah, we got so many vitamins and herbs. So back to me. Thank you, older camera. So, why this works. Also, if you're fighting a cold, drink you a liter of water. This is about a liter. Okay. Why this works. All of the things were specially formulated because they all just work to get your immune system back up and running. Especially if you have something like eczema, like an autoimmune disorder, our immune system is so confused. So basically the way our immune system works is you have a bad thing. So this is the bad thing. So here's our immune system cells. It says doop, 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 and it's like, is this a friend or foe? And with people with autoimmune disorders like myself, our immune systems have no idea what friend and foe is, especially if you have leaky gut. So I don't have eczema right now. I cured it. And because of that, my immune system works so much better. A lot of times people with eczema end up with a lot of food allergies, and it's because of this. Like, it goes boop, 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 are you a friend or foe? Well, everything turns into an enemy because when you have leaky gut, all of the things get into your bloodstream, like food particles, and the immune system's like boop, 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 and it's a big catastrophe, right? So, let me reel it back in. That specific supplement has all of these nutrients in it. And so between the vitamin D, the echinacea is so good for controlling like sinus issues like sneezing and runny nose. Garlic is like wonderful. If you don't like the taste of garlic, those supplements make you like burp up garlic, especially if you take them before bed. Side note, but garlic is so good. If you can even like eat a raw garlic like clove, oh my god, it has so many properties. It's like antimicrobial, so it starts fighting off the bad guys itself. And it allows your immune system to function better when there's not as much to fight. So that is my magic secret for how to cure a cold so freaking fast. It's cold season for America, so you guys go ahead and get you that, because like I've never seen something work better. If you don't want to get that, because I'm not gonna lie, you either have to take 6 of these like every 3 hours, which sounds like a lot, but if you think about it, if you take all of those herbs and you grind them into powder, you end up with a lot of powder, or you end up taking pretty large pills and then you have to take 3 of these. So if you don't like that, I highly suggest taking vitamin D, making sure you get your water up, and bonus tip, you need to rest. I made sure I slept in. You know, some people have to go to work, so that means you have to go to bed earlier. So manipulate it in the way that you can, but your body needs rest. If you're a student and you're studying, you need to go study in your bed. If you fall asleep, that's fine, because your body comes first. School will always be there. I don't care. You know, like, yes, you're investing money in school, but you need to prioritize your health. Because taking care of yourself now, especially if you are a younger person watching my videos, means that you're going to live a long, healthy life. So, big update on my life. I am actually going to become a registered dietitian. It's going to take a couple years. I have a lot of prereqs to take, but I'm going to enroll in the Masters of Nutrition, Health Span, and Longevity. So basically studying how we can live our longest, healthiest lives. I'm very excited for that. So that's my video this week. Make sure you're getting rest. Take those supplements. If not, get some sun, get some vitamin D, and heal your body. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm actually filming a vlog today, so you guys can really see into my life, what I do on a daily basis, and I think you'll enjoy that, so stay tuned.